My video is about getting rid of the fake Chrome Search Contest 2022 alerts related to the website called Wellsurfacestore.xyz. Some customers may unexpectedly see these strange pop-ups to attack their Google Chrome browser. The pop-up claims to be Chrome Search Contest 2022 message. It promises that you have a chance of winning some prize, for instance, some smart TV or iPhone of the latest model, or some other top gadget, but in reality, this is a fake alert. It is not related to the Google Chrome browser or any other browser. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to convince you into sharing some of your personal details through such fake surveys. If you decide to participate in these so-called surveys, you may be told to indicate your name, your surname, email address, and possibly some other information which may be used absolutely illegally. So you shouldn't interact with these pop-ups. They are dangerous, and if you share your private details, your data may be granted to third parties illegally. For instance, if you specify your email address, you may start getting spam to your email account. We recommend you to remove these pop-ups and all other related adware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin carefully researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete all other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.